We've heard so much about those N95 masks, and experts are still saying please leave those to the workers on the front lines. But there are several other methods that both you and I can use, including some homemade ones that could help prevent the spread of coronavirus. U.S. health officials are learning more about how coronavirus is spreading. After initially saying it was not necessary, they are now recommending people wear cloth or fabric face masks when out in public.
We have not done well in isolating the disease by just using social isolation. The next step forward is masking.
State Senator Dr. John Bison out of Battle Creek is one of the many health professionals advising people to cover their faces.
The masks are going to be helpful in trying to cut down on the transmission rate so that the epidemic is gradually lowered.
Bison says it's especially helpful because some people may be carrying the virus but are asymptomatic.
Depending upon how they make it, it could be very much better than nothing. And some of the studies have suggested that it's even better than some of the surgical masks that we typically use in the operating room.
Adding they can easily be made at home.
Masks are very easy to make at home. My daughter has been making them at home, and I don't know if you could see this, but this is the mask that I have for personal use when I go out shopping or when I do elsewhere.
I'm not as crafty as the senator's daughter, and I don't have a sewing machine, but I did find a method circulating online that's easy and fairly effective. So I'm basically using just stuff I had around the house. This is an old white t-shirt, 100% cotton, that I cut into a rectangle just under the sleeves. So you could actually get 2 masks out of every t-shirt. So put it into a rectangle, and what you want to do is fold it into thirds. With the shirt now folded, you want to divide it in 3 equal parts using 2 shoelaces that you loop under and around each side. Then you fold one side over and tuck the other side into it. Put the loops around your ears and tie the strings behind your head to secure the fit. And voila. And there you have it, a homemade mask in just a couple minutes using stuff I found in my apartment. But there are plenty of other methods that you can do that are even more effective. These, of course, are good for just a one-time use, going to a quick trip to the grocery store or somewhere outside, but you want to bring these home and then wash them immediately. For more, you can head to cdc.gov.